Best way to improve a Wi-Fi connection on PC or laptop. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first thing you need to do is hold your Window and R button at the same time and then type ncpa.cpl and click on OK. So go ahead and select your Wi-Fi and right click on it and then go to Properties. So you'll see this Internet Protocol version 4. So click on that and then click on Properties. So make sure use the following DNS server address is the one that's ticked on, and in this preferred DNS server, go ahead and type 1.1.1.1, and in this alternate DNS server, go ahead and type 1.0.0.1. So this is a cloud DNS, and if you want to use Google DNS in preferred DNS server, go ahead and type 8.8.8.8, and in this alternate DNS server, go ahead and type 8.4.4.8 and then click on OK. So the next thing you can do is click on Configure and then go to Advanced. So go over to Preferred Band and then click on the arrow button and make sure 5G first is the one that is selected. Next, come under Roaming Sensitivity Level and make sure this value is low. So if you see the option of Channel Width, click on that and make sure that the value is Auto. So these are the best ways to improve a Wi-Fi connection on PC and laptop. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.